Hello friends, welcome to my channel Stock Market के फंडे. Today I am with a new video on how to calculate EMI, that is equal monthly installment of a loan using Microsoft Excel. All of us are aware about car loan and housing loan, and for these loans the typical feature is that these are repaid in EMI, that is equal monthly installment over the term of the loan. If we look at a procedure of the loan sanction, the borrower makes an application to the bank to take either the car loan or housing loan. So I have taken an example of car loan. Once the loan is approved by the bank will disburse the loan to the borrower and borrower takes the car, buys the car. Then it is the liability of the borrower to pay the loan in equal monthly installment over the loan term. Now, once all the monthly installments get paid off, it means bank will get back the principal amount, that is the loan amount, as well as the interest on that loan amount. Let us have an example of a car loan. If we take an example that Mr. X has identified a car costing 10,25,000 rupees, a car costing 10,25,000 rupees, for which he makes a down payment of 2 lakh, and rest is financed through mortgage loan of ABC Bank. In this case, loan amount will be 8,25,000 rupees. The loan carries 9% interest per annum, that is annual percentage rate, and loan is to be repaid in 5 years in equal monthly installment. And EMI is starting from the end of first month from the date of the loan. So in this case, I'll be explaining you how to use the Microsoft Excel for the purpose of calculating EMI. So this was our example. That loan amount in this case is 8,25,000 rupees. Annual percentage rate is 9%. That is APR. Here future value means how much you want to keep the loan as outstanding at the end of 5 years. So it will be 0 because complete loan has to be paid in 5 years. Now if annual rate is 9%, we divide it by 12 because our installment payment is monthly. So annual rate divided by 12 gets me 0.75% as monthly rate. So that will be termed as rate. Then NPER, that is number of installments. We will be paying monthly installments. So in 5 years, which is the term of the loan, there will be 60 installments. Loan amount is termed as PV because practically whatever loan you have taken is nothing but the present value of all the equal monthly installments which you will be paying to the bank. So in this case, loan amount is 8,25,000. FP is 0. Then type. Type is 0 if installment is paid at the end of every month. And if installment is paid in the beginning of the month, then type will be 1. So I have kept 0 because installment payment is to be made from the end of the first month. So every month at the end it will be paid. Now what we can do, we can use the Microsoft Excel utility. Just go to the formula tab. You will find a drop down menu, financial selected, and within that you have to find out PMT. So it is the PMT. As soon as you press it, you will get a pop-up window, rate. Now our monthly rate, because installment is monthly, so rate has to be monthly. So monthly rate is there in the cell B4. So we will put it B4. NPER. NPER is number of periods, that is number of installments. So that is in B5, that is 60. PV, that is loan amount, that is in B6. FV, which is 0, that is in B7. FV means how much loan we want to keep outstanding by the end of 60th installment. And type will be 0, that is in B8. Once we have given all the cell references, if you press the OK button, we will get the amount of installment. So here the installment amount is 17,125.64. So every month you have to pay this installment over the 60 months. As soon as you pay it, your complete loan will get paid off. So that is the way we can calculate the loan installment. Now you can see loan installment will be negative because that is the outflow from your pocket, and loan will be in positive because that is inflow for you. So one way I depicted you, go to the formula tab, click the financial, and within the financial select the PMT, and then feed the required values. Another way can be there that we can simply type out equal to PMT bracket. Now it is asking you give the rate. So you can give the rate 0.75%. You can type in the values. Then it is asking for number of installments, 60 installments. PV, that is amount of loan, 8,25,000. FV, that is 0, and type, that is also 0. Close the bracket, hit the enter, you will get the answer for the installment. So either you can use the inbuilt facility or you can type in the factors and do the things. So that is the way we can calculate the loan installment using Microsoft Excel. So I have explained you how to use Microsoft Excel for calculating loan installment. Now what next? In the next video, I'll be telling you calculation of interest component and principal component in each EMI. And sometimes you are interested to know how much total interest I have paid in one financial year. That also I will tell you. And then calculation of loan or principal outstanding at a particular point of time. I hope you liked it. Thank you for giving me your time. If you liked my video, then please share and like the video. Also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thanks for giving me your time. Thank you.